Controversial social media critic Verydarkman has tearfully and sarcastically apologized to gospel singer Mercy Chinwo following 1.1 billion naira lawsuit filed against him. The lawsuit, dated March 3, 2025, was filed in response to a series of Instagram posts by Verydarkman (VDM), in which he accused Chinwo of withholding earnings from her performances instead of remitting them to her former record label, owned by Ezekiel Onyedikachukwu, popularly known as Easy T. Reacting to the lawsuit, Verydarkman took to Instagram to list about 7 individuals who have taken legal action against him, lamenting that he cannot afford to fulfill all the financial demands. In a dramatic display, he shed tears while pleading with Mercy Chinwo, humorously singing some of her songs and asking her to reduce the lawsuit's amount to 5 million naira, which he claims he can afford. While this has generated reactions online, question lingers in the minds of Nigerians. We will continue to supply you more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.
But that's not the point. I know this case is not a case that I can go on with, so it go better make I just tender an apology. Initially, I be want say to Mercy Chinwo, wherever you lead me, I would go. That means more go cut. But as I can't think, I can't say make I apologize. Mercy, your love is kind. Your love is patient. Don't let the devil use you. You fill my life with your music, with so much peace and joy when you hold the mic in church. You're amazing. Don't let lawyers push you. You make my life feel brand new anytime I hear your song. All your promises, they pain. Promise you no go do this thing. You're not a man, you never lie. Now only man they lie, woman no they lie. Mercy, I love you too much. Oh, too much, too much, excess love. Oh. Too much, too much, too much, excess love.